Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I bring you celebrity gossip each and every day. Guys, the recent pictures of Uthembi Siete are just so shocking. Thembi Siete doesn't age at all, guys. Like, she doesn't age. Look at the body. Look at the stomach, Sana. At the age of 49, she is 49, guys, going on to 50, but you can't even tell. She looks like, she is in her 30s or like 29, even. Like, she looks so young. She needs to share a secret with. How does she do it? Because, Susanna, a lot of us are trying to have that body. She looks so gorgeous. Her skin is just giving, the body is giving. A lot of people are just 49 years old, but you can't even compare them to Uthembi Siete because what the, like, I don't know, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think of Thembi Siete? And I know people have been saying, hey, a picture is a picture, a person is a person, guys. Those who have seen her face to face, they know that she has this exact body. I've also seen her face to face, like, but yeah, she is so gorgeous. She is even more gorgeous face to face. She looks so stunning. She was doing a brand promotion. You can just even say she is in her 20s because Sana, you know? So I guess exercise also plays a huge role in how your body turns out when you are old, like going to gym, even if you are not going regularly, but just trying to be active, and staying active, eating healthy sometimes because it's impossible to eat healthy every day. But she does look gorgeous, Susanna. I am jealous. I am really, really jealous. Anyway, guys, leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think of Thembi Siete's body? Is it giving 49 or is it giving 30? Like, Sana, hi, she is so, so beautiful.